Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Bilgaum. Today, once again, I am with you with your social science subject. You know that presently we are reading its geography part, India Contemporary. This is the name of your book. You are welcome in this class. Our chapter is the fourth chapter of this book, Calamate. I have tried to put my today's lecture in the form of a question answer as I do usually from some days, so as to make the information for you precise, brief, and to the point. This will also help you by the examination point of view. The question is clearly written on the screen. I have already answered some parts of this question. Those are also written here. Today I will try to answer the fifth part of this question. But I will read this all. Question number 2. Answer the following questions briefly. What are the factors affecting the climate of India? Part 2. Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Part 3. Which part of India does experience the highest diurnal range of temperature and why? Which winds account for rainfall along the Malabar coast? These parts I have answered already. Today I will try to answer this part. What are jet streams and how do they affect the climate of India? Then there remain two parts, the sixth and the seventh part. But today I will try to answer this question. This all is written on the screen. I will go to part fifth of this question. Answer. Jet streams are a narrow belt of high altitude above 12,000 meter westerly winds in the troposphere. Their speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summer to about 184 km per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant is the mid-latitude and subtropical jet stream. They cause depressions during the monsoon season. So, this was about jet streams. One important part of this question. Now, there are two parts of this question that we have to answer. That is the sixth and the seventh part. And I have already told you that you are supposed to know so many things beforehand about this, what we are going to share here. So I will once again read this. Jet streams are a narrow belt of high altitude above 12,000 meter. Westerly winds in the troposphere. So this is a type of winds. The speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summer to about 184 km per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant is the mid-latitude and subtropical jet stream. They cause depressions during the monsoon season. So this was all about the jet streams. This is sufficient for today. We'll be meeting again with more information about this chapter, about this subject. I hope that you will take the advantage of these things. I'm going this time with good wishes for you, wishing a very good time ahead for you. Allah bless you. Keep you safe. Take care of your health, your time, and your career. Stay home, honor good SOPs, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.